Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to ISEE here for sponsoring today's video. You receive a wig cap, replacement accessories for the wig, 3 combs and a elastic band is in this. So we have everything for the install. This is the band. This comb is for the back. These two for the side. Now this is a wear and go wig, and you can see the booklet to take care of your wig. Now this is the wig. It's a body wave texture in 24 inches. I love when they label the wig because sometimes we don't remember what's in the email. Okay, the wig is secure. That's how the lace looks. You see here, never miss. See that? Natural. This is a wear and go wig, of course. It's a 9x6 HD lace layered cut body wave wig. Look at the lace. You guys see through the lace, which is good. You don't have to use spray or glue on this wig, which is gonna make it perfect. They already cut and curl the wig, and I love that. Look at those curls, how juicy they look. Yes, they are bouncy, and it's already in the middle part. Even though it's a closure, we are gonna go and freelance. I feel like I'm gonna go back in and do some curls in this wig because I want it to have that look. I'm going for a specific look, so we're gonna go in. We have combs on the wig, and we have some replacement ones. And most importantly, I love when a company labels their wig. Sometimes I rewear my wigs and I don't remember where it's from, and people ask. So when you add this, I can tell them definitely where it's from. And you guys are seeing that this ISEE here did that. And they also have the large removable comb at the back, which I absolutely love. I always use these to help secure my wigs, okay? Especially if I'm trying to put it in a ponytail. So this is how it looks. And they use the M cap. The M cap is a snug cap design with real HD lace, and there are 2 major advantages in this wig. So it's gonna help your wig to look very natural and secure. So once the wig is snug, then you can go with a glueless install. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this wig, but look at those curls. Let's go. Okay guys, this is the wig. I decided on doing a side part, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the hot comb, and then we're gonna add some curl to the wig before installation, so you guys can just keep on watching. It's gonna be simple curls with just a curling iron, and then we're gonna go ahead and install. It was super easy as well to switch over to a side part, so that part was pretty easy and simple, and the texture of the hair feels so good. So it's gonna be done in a couple of minutes. Remember, the wig was pre-curled. I just went ahead and curled and brushed some of the curls out. So it's going to be easy when it's time to add more curls to the hair. I'm just using the hot comb in this part. The wig comes layered. So they already cut. It's a ready to wear and go. So it was pretty easy, 24 inches. Now I can see the length of the wig because I brushed the curls out. We are gonna go in and start off with curling the wig. Alright guys, I am done with recurling the wig. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and the lace is amazing. So we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and then we are gonna go straight into install. I made a curved side part, and I'm excited to pull these out. It was really easy to curl because the hair came curl already, and then the hair texture is amazing. So let's let this sit, and then we're gonna install. Alright guys, it's time to install the wig. We're gonna go ahead and prep our hair as usual. You guys know I don't braid my hair down.
Hold up in the top is at the home 2 times and you walked outside. Let's keep hugging and vibing. Only thing that's out my mind is I want you, I do. The difference in the things the best I do. Now we all in the crib on my sofa. I'm so glad you came over. I wanna tell you come closer, but I don't know what you feel. Got me now. Tell me girl, don't it feel good when I touch on it? Wouldn't it be nice if
We're gonna try and see if we can install the wig without taking it off, taking out the clips. So the first thing I'm gonna do is try to fit the wig on my head. Make sure that I took out the pins, the hair quality. Yeah, now we're gonna leave this wig so it have a seamless and natural look, which means we're not gonna do no baby ear, and I am going to leave the curls. We're definitely gonna brush out the curls some more, but I just want to talk about how beautiful it looks. It's a layered wig. I told you guys that before. The curls have been improved, so with me going over it, perfect. Okay, it looks so good, and you can go ahead and use your fingers, or you can use a big teeth comb, a white teeth comb, to comb it through. First of all, no glue or spray is required. I just don't want to take mine off because I put the time in to recurl the wig, so I want to wear this for a couple of days, okay? And so I use the spray, and I use a little bit of spray. It doesn't require a lot of spray. It's perfect, okay? Perfect. It's the M cap, so it's a snug wig on your head. But we're gonna go in, and I'm gonna fix the rest, because every time once you're doing your wig and you do it on a mannequin head, once you put it onto your head, you have to go over it. So that's what we're doing.
my hands rubbing on your skin? Let's go hard, don't hold it in the places. My lips are so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my don't know what's saying. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Kiss got me hoping you stay me right now.
Guys, listen, y'all can talk to me because I am in this wig that is spectacular. Now, I did not add any oil to the hair, and the hair is so bouncy. It is not trashy. It is the perfect wig. Absolutely the perfect wig. The lace is amazing. I love it. So this is how I am going to keep it. We're definitely gonna let it stay as is, and I'm happy I went with a side part. The curls on this wig, amazing. It is 24 inches, so you guys should get it, okay? The M cap fits beautifully. It is perfect on my head size. And if you guys notice, sorry, I didn't have to pluck the wig. I went in and I didn't add any baby hair. I just did an illusion with the spray. I love it. And let's just take a look at the lace. This is how the lace looked. We did nothing, no plucking. It came as a middle part and I changed it to a side part. So that's something that I love. Place the curls in it. It was easy to curl. So absolutely love it. I see here you did it once more. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Guys, if you need this wig, I want you guys to check the description. It is there for you, okay? The link to this direct wig will be in the description bar below. Their website will be there as well, so you guys can check it out. Make sure you shop ISEE here if you want to look ISEE, okay? Yes, just look at those curls, how bouncy they are. I feel like you guys should use a curling iron if you want a more natural, you know, celebrity looking curls. I think that's what they call it, but I like it. I like how it complements my face. The wig is perfect. The density is amazing as well. I love how full it is, so once you recurl it, it's gonna be beautiful. Let's take a look at the back. That's how the curls look at the back of the wig. Now we still have to fix it, but look how beautiful. The wig is not going nowhere, girl. I like it. So it is very flowy as well. Alright guys, make sure you check the description bar. I'll see you guys in the next one.